If everyone, welcome to the altcoin of the day. My name is Jan Robert Schut of Crypto Academy, and today I would like to put Binance Coin, which is place number 9 on CoinMarketCap with a market cap of $3.6 billion, as a altcoin of the day, and it's trading now more or less around 23 bucks, and it means that if I take a look at tradingview.com, I see on the trade navigator a buy signal has been issued 1 to 3 weeks ago around 24, and now it's retracing a little bit. That means that still it's a buy, and I would like to take this opportunity on the retracement to buy some at this level. And if I also put, for instance, the FIB retracement level from the low to the high, from the low in December to the high, then we can take a look at the support area at around $21.53. It's a 38.2% retracement level. 50% is 19.73. But at this moment, it's very nice buying opportunity, in my opinion. First target would be 28. That means that is more or less the high of late August. And if you are lucky enough, you can go to the 40 bucks. Anyway, this buying opportunity I would like to put now directly in order, and it's BNB and on the TUS Tether, of course, that is here on BBOD platform. I would like to put for a value of 100 bucks. I would like to buy some, and 23.05. It's now behind the market, I see, but anyway, I would like to amend this. Amend this open order. You can easily amend it. Here it is. We are the best bid, so maybe we're lucky and we get hit as a market maker. I think so, because here it is. Last traded 5.6, 23.56. Here we see the bid. We are still the best bid, and the index price is lower actually, so we are paying a little bit of premium. But as we can see, last trade 05, still something remaining. We are filled almost complete soon, I think, I hope. And here it is. The bid again filled, remaining a little bit more. I will show you that I will not again filled, almost filled. BNB coin, we are filled for 40 bucks, so I'm just waiting, sitting the order, and until $100 I would like to have a nice fill. So BNB, Binance Coin, would be a very great buying opportunity for our swing trading portfolio. I wish you a very pleasant evening. Go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista.